10 tips to ace your PTE speaking test. Today I'm going to talk about 10 most important things which can help you to get a very high score in your PTE speaking. So let's start with the first point. There are three main C's, so I'll cover those three first. The first C is consistency, which means whatever you speak, try to speak with a flat, smooth voice and try to speak smoothly. The most important thing in speaking is oral fluency, which means you speak smoothly in a good flow. So that is why I say speak consistently. Number 2 is the second C, which is confidence. You have to speak with confidence in your voice. You should not be afraid just because there will be people around you who will be speaking at the same time with you in the PTE exam. That doesn't mean that you have to speak very loudly or too softly. You have to speak with full confidence. Your voice should be active. The third C, which is very important, is clarity. Clarity means your pronunciation. It should be very clear. You can you can hear the way I'm speaking right now. I'm opening my mouth properly, my jaws fully. Every word will be heard very clearly. So that is the meaning of the word clarity. It should be very clear. Whatever you speak should be heard very clearly. You don't have to speak too fast. Make sure your words are pronounced properly. The fourth very important thing is that there should be no hesitation in your voice, right? There should be no fumbling or hesitation in your approach. That is actually linked to confidence, but mainly it's a part of being hesitant. Some people have that fear or, people panic while they are speaking. So try to be very confident, very relaxed, and don't hesitate while you're speaking. That is very, very, very important. The fifth point is there should be no filler sounds like no, there should not be such sounds, because if these sounds happen a lot in your speaking test, then again the score goes down. So make sure that you minimize these filler sounds as much as possible. That will be very beneficial for you in your speaking score. The sixth point is not taking unnecessary pauses. A lot of times, especially in the task of read aloud, which is the first task in speaking, I've seen that people take a pause at every comma, That is not right, guys. Don't take a pause at each and every comma and read aloud. Otherwise, your score will go down. Even at a full stop, take a very small pause. And at the same time, the contra point is, or the argument is, if it's a very long sentence, even if there is no comma, you should take the right pauses. Pauses matter a lot in PT. The wrong pauses will reduce your score, and not taking the right pauses might also reduce your content score in reading, especially in read aloud. So make sure you take the right pauses and don't take unnecessary pauses. The next point is your speed of speaking. So you should speak at the same speed at which I am speaking right now. It should not be too slow. It should not be too fast. The correct speed of speaking is this speed at which I am speaking right now. So make sure that your speed is consistent. You maintain the same speed mostly through all tasks of speaking, which is a natural flow and a natural speed. The next point is try to speak with an active voice, which is energetic. For example, let's say there is a very simple sentence which I am saying, "Hi, it's a beautiful day to play cricket today." Now let's say I say this with good fluency but very low energy. "Hi, this is a beautiful day to play cricket today." I will get a very poor score in content. You know why? Because the confidence level is down, the energy level is down. The same thing if I speak with more energy. "Hi, it is a beautiful day to play cricket today." You will get a very high score, and you'll be surprised that just this small change in your style of speaking can improve your speaking score drastically, right? So try to speak with an energetic voice, sit straight and speak with good energy, good vibes. The next important thing is don't change your accent. Some people might suggest you to, change your accent. I would say the best accent is having no accent at all. So try to speak with as naturally a voice as possible, as naturally an accent as possible. Don't change your accent. Don't try to speak like an Aussie guy or an American guy. It will not help you in your score. Just speak naturally. And the last point is again very important, and that is in every task of speaking, just for your knowledge, there are 5 speaking tasks. In every single task of speaking, as soon as you finish speaking the last word of your answer, click next immediately. There is a blue bar on your screen. Don't wait for the blue bar to reach the end. As soon as you finish speaking, you have to click on the next button immediately. So these were my 10 most important tips for speaking. And if you follow these tips, 100% guaranteed you'll get a very, very high score in your speaking, which can be a 90. If you like the video, make sure you follow it, make sure you share it, and make sure you comment your suggestions and how you felt about this video. My name is Malcolm and I'm from A1 Australia PTE IELTS and NATI. We help with online PTE, IELTS and NATI CCL training. We also help with face-to-face PTE classes in Melbourne. You can visit our website oneaustraliagroup.com. Thank you. Have a good day.